hard work and dedication, that's all you need. With discipline. Me personally, as a man, I try to have discipline like a Navy SEAL, right? Them boys wake up early in the morning, they get to it, do the hard thing, do the hard work, go into it understanding that you about to suffer, but it's gonna make you great on the other side. You doing this, you going through the hard times because it's gonna make you tough. You doing the hard work, doing the hard thing because it's gonna make you solid, right? And that's how I try to keep my mentality. I try to hold it down the same way, like a Navy SEAL, right? Try to keep that warrior mindset. Read a book on this samurai named Masashi. Gotta check it out. It's a long read. It's a story, but it's based on real life. A true samurai. The man. It's a lot going on. You should get into it. I think all young men and all men should read it to get into it. But to have a warrior spirit, a warrior's heart, to have courage. As a man, you need that. You need mentors that are courageous. So that courage can rub off on you. You need to lead as a courageous leader. As a man. Men, we gotta be more masculine. We gotta be more tough, more solid. And with that, with being tough and solid, that don't mean you have to be rude and obnoxious. You can still be soft, sweet, loving, and tough as hell, and hard as hell, but you still want to be loving. I believe that's how Christ was. Solid, ready for war, but loving, right? A good guy, but tough as hell. That's how you gotta be. That's how men should be. Keep your head up. Don't be beating yourself up. Know that you ain't alone when it comes to beating yourself up. Everybody does it. We have to guard ourselves from our own minds a lot of the times. Beating ourselves up. Do good to yourself. Treat yourself well. Take yourself out sometimes. Enjoy yourself. Love yourself. Go to the movies by yourself and start to try to enjoy your own company. Don't hate yourself. Treat yourself like you would your best friend. Become your own best friend. It all starts with you. You properly can't really be someone else's friend if you don't know how to be your own friend. How do you know how to treat other people good if you don't even know how to treat yourself good? Do your thing. Stay positive. See, that's when I say stay positive, I'm not necessarily saying be positive to everybody around you. I'm more off saying be positive to yourself. Be positive in your own thinking, in your own mind. Positivity to yourself. That's good self-love. That's good self-care. Continuously strive to be the best version of yourself. Be all that you can be. It's not just a cliche. It's real life. Be all that you can be. Be who you were destined to be. Do what you were destined and created for. You are more than a conqueror. You are destined for greatness. And I ain't just saying that either. You are. And you know it deep down in your soul too. I know you feel it. But your greatness comes with making better decisions. Your greatness comes with being a little bit more tougher on your disciplines. Your greatness comes with more responsibility. Your greatness comes with serving others. That's what your greatness comes with. But you destined for it. It really makes you feel good to serve others. Keep doing your thing. Don't let nobody knock you off track. You got this. Keep on shining. You are a star. Keep on being that light on the hill. Don't stop. You done made it way too far to stop now. Don't give up now. This is just the beginning. It's a long road ahead, but it's worth it. And it's a lot of joy that comes with that. It's a lot of good feelings when you start to create and when you start to accomplish and when you start to do God's will in your life, do God's purpose for your life. I'm telling you, it feels good. It's good for you. You need to be right where you need to be, even though it's tough. Going back to thinking like a Navy SEAL, we going through these tough things because we in the places that we need to be in the future. Life ain't always rainbows and unicorns, sunshine You feel me? Rainbows all the time. Sometimes it gets dark, and you need to have tough skin when it gets dark. God don't want you to be weak. God don't want you to be soft. God wants you to be tough, but God wants you to be loving. God wants you to be positive. Remember, I told you, being positive starts with yourself. God wants you to uplift yourself so you can then, in turn, uplift others. Starts with you though, starts with yourself. God wants you to find peace within yourself so you can find peace within others. When you realize how messed up you are personally, you'll start to have more empathy on others because you'll realize everybody, we all messed up, right? So if you see somebody else acting out, hopefully you've been past that area and you'll be able to help them out through your patience, through your loving kindness. But like I said, it all starts with you. Do your thing. You got this. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find some value in this video. But I'm with you. I'm here for you. I want the best for you. I'd get a shirt off my back to you if I could. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you need me. You need some advice, what you want me to make a video about. I'll make it specifically for you. This my channel. It's all about you. I'm here for you, actually. I'm here just for you. Let me in the comments. If you tell me what you want the next video to be, guaranteed that joint coming. And it's going to be just for you. I appreciate you. I want to build a whole community. I want to build a family. And it all starts with you. Be my friend. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We can connect. We can engage. We can grow. Let's engage together. Let's grow together. You can do what I'm doing. I'll help you out. We can collab. I'm with it. Keep on shining because you're a superstar. I believe in you. But like I keep preaching, it all starts with you. I had to believe in myself in order to being able to believe in you. But I've been there. Wherever you are in your journey, trust me, I've been there. Being targeted and all that. Feeling insecure about yourself, all that. Thinking you ain't good enough, maybe you too ugly, all that. All the irrational thoughts you can think of that don't make no sense. I've been there. Trust me, I can be there for you because I've been there for myself. When times got tough, I've cried to myself. I've uplifted myself. I've been there to support myself. I've healed myself, right? I went through the therapy with myself. I read the books for myself, treated my mind. You gotta do it. All starts with you. So now that I've done things for myself, I can now do things for you. And like I said, I'm here for you. So like and subscribe. Check me out. This is just the beginning. Let's grow. It all starts from here. It all starts with you. Let me know in the comments what you want to hear next from me. I'm with it if you with it. I love you, family. I want the best for you. Peace.